What's going on, guys? Big Timer 110 here. And today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel 5G from Google. So, without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Now, I ordered the Pixel a while back ago. I don't know what took so long, but I finally got it today. So here it is. We have the 128 gigabyte version with the 5 gigabyte millimeter wave and sub 6, and it's a Sorta Sage, which is kind of like a mint green if I say so myself. It comes with this little Google 5 thing that tells you that you could live a SIM-free life, meaning you don't need a SIM card. You could just activate the electronic SIM. But let's get that out of the way. And here it is, guys. Pixel 5 5G from Google. All that branding to remind you. 5G, Google and Team Pixel. Okay, well, let's get to unboxing it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Take this one off. And let's remove this one. There you go. Let's see. Take off the top real quick. There it is. The Pixel 5G in all its glory. We've been waiting for you, Pixel. Real quick, let's take a look at the back. We can see here the fingerprint reader, which is a hardware, not an in-display, and the camera. We can see the camera lenses. Okay, well, let's put that to the side real quick. Let's see what else we have in the box. All right, we got the SIM injection tool there. And we got some paperwork here, some instructions. We don't need that. Let's just put it aside. Anyways, here we have all the rest of the accessories that come in, which we could see the power brick here has a USB-C. Okay, pretty nice. Let's see how fast it charges the Pixel. We also get a cable here. As you can see, it is USB-C to USB-C. And it looks pretty long, so I'm glad that Google always gives you a nice long cable. And we do get a little adapter in case you want to transfer files from a different phone, but we don't need that. So let's just put all that stuff back in there. And we're going to put that stuff back in there as well. And let's move it to the side. Now, let's see the Pixel. Let's take this off. Oh, okay. All right. Let's take the one in the back. Let's see how it feels. You know, it feels pretty good. It feels like a little matte finish as well with some grip. It does feel pretty thin as well. And it feels really light. So you can see we have the power button there with a different color. And we do have your volume rocker there. And the edge. And also here, we do have our SIM tray, which is right there. We have a microphone on the top. And it looks like we have our bottom firing speakers and a USB-C port on the bottom. So gripping it feels good in the hand. It's not too small, but it's not too big. I think this is a decent size for a lot of people that don't like big phones. And it feels pretty good, guys. I'm not just saying that. It's pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn this baby on and let's keep going. You know, I'm looking at the edges and they're not flat like the Samsung Fan Edition, but they're not round either. So they're like in between. They're not totally round, but they're not totally flat. I don't know if that makes sense. And as you can see here, let's bump up the light here. The color, it's like a mint green, I would say. But overall, guys, I'm impressed. I'm pretty impressed, but I would have to use it for a week or so, maybe two, and I'll give you guys my real review on it. Because right now, I just can't give you a recommendation yet. And here it is. So, guys, should you get this phone over the Samsung S20 Fan Edition? Stay tuned and find out, guys. I will let you know. I got to do some testing first. So, guys, with that being said, thank you for everything. Subscribe if you haven't, as that helps me a lot. And like the video. Either way, guys, thank you for everything again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.